explore Alexa. Alexa, who are you?
Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game. Get organized or be surprised. Just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms list.
Alexa, stop. Kaustav, what are all the commands do you use frequently? Now I'll say, Alexa, what is the weather today?
Right now in Bangalore, Karnataka, it's 30 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Throughout the day, you can expect more of
Alexa,
the same.
stop. Samiksha, sometimes I don't know the spelling, so I'll check with her. Okay. Now I'm giving you a small demo. Okay. Alexa, what is the spelling of Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe is spelled Zimbabwe.
Ritvik, what command do you use? Alexa, cow sound.
Here's a cow moo.
Alexa, you can tell Twinkle Twinkle Star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star from Geo Savan.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Alexa, stop. Samiksha, what command do you use? I'll say, Alexa, can you please tell 13 table?
13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26.
Good
13
job.
threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65.
Alexa, stop. Bye.